Welcome back again, ladies and gentlemen, girls and guys, to RoboThoughts, the most excellent and interesting stuff called Zero to Hero. Right? It's a one of a kind of unique series using Jetson Nano. Okay, all right, guys. So let's get into the stuff. So we are in lesson number 10. Today I'm going to show you how to get the type of Python variables. Right, there are different types of variables in Python. Okay, so how to get that? How do you know that what type is that particular variable in your program? All right, so basically you can get the type of variable with a function called type. Okay, with the function called type, type, and a closed open bracket and a closed bracket. Okay, that's a function. So the function name is type. Okay, they are also defined as integer, float, and a complex classes in Python. Okay, we use the type function, this particular function called type, to know which class a variable or a value belongs to. Confusing? All right, you will get into that. No worries. Just follow my instructions. I'm going to show you one by one. In other words, variables are nothing but it's basically a reserved memory in your where you are storing your particular data. In our case, of course, it's Jetson Nano, right? So it's got a inbuilt 4 GB of RAM and memory inside. So there are specific sectors and allocation for each and every stuff what you are programming, what you are writing. So basically, these are nothing but a reserved memory locations to store your particular values. This means that when you create a variable, okay, you reserve some space in Jetson Nano. All right, guys, I hope you understand this. Let me show you an example how it works. So let me share my screen. I'm already logged into my Jetson Nano. I hope you guys too. All right, now let me show you some specific example of how a type in a variable looks like. Okay, so let's open our previous file which we already created, a Python file called variable. So I'm going to open that. Nano, which is our IDE. Shifting the screens is a pain sometimes. Okay, Nano is our IDE. Variable is our Python file .py. All right, so I got to delete this program. This is our previous exercise. Okay, now let's say x equal to 5, y equals to your name, any name, I mean name. Let me put a double quote just for a reason. Your name okay. Now print. Watch this carefully, guys. If you want to know what type of variable it is, what you have to do, you have to put this open shaped bracket, okay, and the function name is type, type. That's the function name, okay, and you are going to ask for what? X. So what is the X type? Say X, okay, and then put a closed bracket. So you are going to open a main function, right, called type. Inside that type you are asking for what X means. That's how it is. All right, and then again print type. Now what? Y. Okay, there you go. Let me save this program. How do we save it? Control O, enter, Control X. All right, now let me execute the Python file. How do we execute? Python 3 variable.py. All right, see guys, fantastic. Can you see that? So the first two variables which we created, so it's showing the type. One is an integer type and the second one is the string, right? So that's all about it. So you can see the output. So it's so simple, guys. It's as simple as that. All right, so that's about this particular session. I hope you like this video. Please do leave a comment. Please do subscribe, like, and ask me if you have any doubts. I'll be happy to address that. Thank you. Bye bye.